Hey everybody, I'm outside this 22,000 square foot mansion. Oh, the gates are closing. Now I'm inside the mansion. And no, I'm not trespassing. And I don't own it either. And you see this 4-car garage? There's no Lamborghini in here. But there's a Subaru. I'm just here to figure out how to grow my cleaning company, for which I'm paying a lot of money. And in order to do that, what I will need is your help and support. So what we're going to do is talk about, okay, I thought about it for a while and I figured it out. We have to be okay with and want to make good money. Thank you, sir. Don't stop growing. Give our best. And care completely.